Good Saturday afternoon, family. This is Natty with Symphony Journey. With family, this morning I went to the Lake Lake Charles, Louisiana farmers market, and I got myself some pickle beet by M&M Ranch from Tender, Louisiana. That was a $10 jar, and I got this Mayhaw Ridge honey. This is a 2 pound, I believe, and that was $20. And I got this here humongous size one is red meat with seeds. That was $12. And also I stopped at a restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants down there in Lake Charles. We had myself a catfish dinner, and I bought myself some Dungeness crabs back. Yes, love it, love it. Yeah, family, this is Nasty from the Journey. Just want to share with you all what I had got at the farmers market in Lake Charles, Louisiana. All right, family, y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.